Now let's check back in with meteorologist Nick Hausen.
Yeah, good Monday morning, and we are tracking much cooler air moving in from the north. We're behind yet another cold front. So yesterday close to 60. Today we're going to be about 20 degrees cooler than that. Also tracking some low clouds just now making our way back in from the north and west. Live view there from Mount Vernon, though, looking back towards the north over I-57 and I-64 near the interchange there, and traffic moving along just fine. This cold front did not bring any rain, no snow with it, but some things are on the horizon here towards the end of the week that we need to keep an eye on. Again, that live view sunrise this morning coming at a 7:11 a.m. So chilly for the next couple of days, but at least we're going to enjoy some dry weather today and tomorrow. Rain moves in, and it is all going to be rain as we begin this next weather system. That comes in here on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. Some of this rain actually could be on the heavy side. It is Thursday morning that looks like the time that we really need to watch for a changeover to possibly some freezing rain, especially into southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. And then the question is, does it stay freezing rain? Does it change over to snow, or does it change over back to rain? I'm leaning more and more towards a change back over to rain, but something we'll be, of course, tracking as we get a little closer. Waking up this morning, temperatures running about the freezing mark into southern Illinois. Not hard to pick out the cold front working its way to the south. Out ahead of it, Nashville still under the low 50s. St. Louis now down to 36. Carbondale at 33. And to the north, we've got a lot of upper 20s out across central Illinois. So it is some cooler air, but it's nothing like what we saw around here for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day late last week. Again, we have mostly clear skies right now over parts of the area, but starting to see some low clouds move in from the north. So if you see some sunshine this morning, probably not going to last too long. We may get some sunshine working its way back out, though, later on this afternoon. Today, high temperatures only into the lower 40s. It's not too far off average for this time of year, but it is about 15 to 20 degrees cooler than yesterday. And then Tuesday, more clouds expected as that next storm system starts to get its act together out to our west across the plains, but it could even bring some winter weather to areas like northern Illinois, back up into Iowa and Nebraska as well. It looks like on Tuesday the winter weather stays well to our north. Still expecting mostly dry conditions through much of the day here locally on Tuesday. Today, though, lunchtime temperatures upper 30s, mostly cloudy skies. This afternoon we'll run up to the low 40s for high temperatures, and for tonight, partly cloudy skies to begin the night, but more clouds start to move in after midnight. Means we'll drop back in the upper 20s and then kind of hang out there through a good part of the overnight hours. So here's the big storm system. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Rain right now expected on a Wednesday, and yes, it is likely going to be all rain even into Wednesday night. But here is the cold front. As it moves through, some cooler air starts to work its way in from the north. This is about 3 a.m. on Thursday morning. We could see a changeover to some freezing rain, especially into southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. But another storm system is going to start to push back up from the south. What that's going to do is that's going to bring some warmer air back to the north as well. So expecting a changeover back to all rain area wide on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. And then this storm system tracks almost right on top of us, likely meaning we're going to see more in the way of rain than anything. But any shift in this track, if it goes further to the west, it actually could bring a chance for some thunderstorms into our forecast. If it goes further to the east, it could bring that chance of winter weather a little closer to our region. So something that will be, of course, tracking here through the end of this week. Rainfall amounts, well, one thing we're pretty certain about is the amount of rainfall is going to be on the heavy side. 1.5 inches, possibly up to about 3 inches of rainfall Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But if we see a change over to some freezing rain, best chances would be first thing on Thursday morning. Still a little too early to know some of the finer details, but again, it is something we'll be keeping an eye on here as we get a little closer. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all very active days. Of course, New Year's Eve falls in here on Thursday, and then Friday, New Year's Day. So something for those New Year's Eve plans you may need to pay attention to as well. By the time this storm system starts to wrap up on Saturday, cooler air starts to move back in. Some snow flurries possible on Saturday, and things are much quieter